Welcome to RV Woodworks. My name is Rahim, and I'm your typical DIYer that found a passion for woodworking. For the past decade or so, I have found every nook and cranny to make projects and learned all my new skills by watching my mentors on YouTube, some of which are listed in the description below. And if you're new to this hobby, I highly recommend you check their channels out. While making my last project, I finally got fed up and decided to take over a small room in my basement to start my own shop. I was fed up of running into things, moving heavy tools around, and constantly looking for things. And as a result, this vastly subpar workflow added a significant amount of time to all my bills. Now, most channels on YouTube have an established workshop, and I always found it daunting to start from scratch. Well, that's what we're gonna do. I want to encourage you to join me on this journey as I take over a small 11-foot by 12-foot room in my basement and convert it into my dream shop. We'll start with this miter station build, with many more builds, shop projects, as well as home projects that I'll make sure to put on YouTube. But in order to make sure you don't miss anything, please like, subscribe, and click the bell notification so you don't miss any of my new videos. And I am really looking forward to getting your feedback and your suggestions as we build this forward. Thank you. See you in the next build.